Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's Welsh word is cudd, hidden or secret. Cudd, as in a cynllwyn cudd, the secret plot. Cudd, hidden or secret.